Right, so we've got our reference here. I mean, don't worry about getting the pencil lines or the white pencil crayon lines in the wrong place, because they will rub out. But if you go in and draw it in pencil first, that sort of shiny graphite will show through. So we've drawn birds. We've had a couple of weeks of doing birds, so hopefully just keep your pencil lines nice and light to get the shape of the bird that you're doing. And then, as I say, if you want to, if you go a bit wrong or proportions are a bit wrong, they can be lifted out and rubbed out afterwards. So I'm going to get him on now, see? We have quite a few jackdaws around, actually, our way. I think they nest in the chimney, actually. Well, the chimney that we don't use. We got a pigeon down the chimney once. So that's a bit, making a bit fatter. And then we've got to draw the highlights in. So we're not drawing the black, we're just drawing, and it's surprising how little you need really for it to become a bird. So you can vary the strength of your pencil lines. We've got a nice sort of very light eye with that black pupil. So if you're not quite sure how strong you want to go, keep it nice and light, and then just build it up. Give a nice sharp point on your pencil crayon. And obviously jackdaws have got quite a grey, light back of the head, so we can put that on. Don't forget. And if you do go a bit wrong and you've gone and put white where it should be black, the nice thing is you can always go in with a bit of black pencil. And also going in with a bit of blue pencil crayon, like we did when we painted the blackbirds. I mean, that undercoat of blue just sort of makes the black glow a bit more. Also, if you wanted, if it's very black, you can always do a little bit of the background to help show it in silhouette. And if you're going to do this onto a black acrylic, it's exactly the same, but you use your white acrylic. Quite nice to try this in watercolour as well, because we've got some lovely sort of greeny bluey colours coming through. And we could use different colours on this as well if we wanted to.